In this video, we will show you how to retrieve data from LoRaWAN sensors into your BMS application and optionally send set points to the sensors. We will take the example of a BMS application that would be interfaced with a BACnet network. How to use the Watsense box to easily implement this solution. The box will act as a gateway. It will handle 100% of the communication with the sensors and make the data available to the BACnet network. Now let's implement the solution. In this example, the first step is to connect two sensors to the Watsense box. The sensors are Climate Vicky and a CO2 plus PIR light. For the sensors to communicate with the box via LoRaWAN, a join procedure is required. To perform this procedure, you will first need to obtain identification numbers specific to each sensor. These identification numbers are provided by the supplier. Now let's add the sensors in the Watsense console. Go to the Configuration tab, Equipment, Add Equipment, then pick a decoded equipment. Enter the sensor's reference number. The protocol will be automatically populated. Then complete the Dev UI, App UI, and application fields as shown previously. Select the properties you want to manage. And save changes. Don't forget to send the configuration to the box. Repeat the operation for the second device. You can now see that the sensors appear in the list. Their status are waiting for pairing. It may be necessary to perform an action on the sensor itself to trigger the pairing sequence. This action depends on the sensor. It could involve, for example, removing and reinserting the batteries, or pressing a small reset button on the sensor. Once the sensors are paired, the data is available in the Configuration or Live Data tab of the console. Let's now proceed to the configuration of the BACnet gateway. Start by connecting the Watsense box to your local network using an Ethernet cable. The box has two Ethernet connectors. Identify the connector number ETH1 or ETH2. Once the box is connected to the network, go in the console's Configuration tab, then to Gateways, and create a new gateway. Enter the name field. Then choose the right protocol. Select the box's physical Ethernet connector. And save. Now we will add properties to link to the gateway. Click on Add Property from the list. In the search bar, enter the name of your property to easily find it in the list. In this example, we'll select the PIR sensor's presence property and the thermostat's target temperature. Finally, save the configuration and send it to the box. Before configuring your BMS application, you can analyze the BACnet objects with a test application such as Yabi. Retrieve the IP address of the PC that is connected to the same network as the box. You can use the ipconfig command. In Yabi, add a new device. Enter your IP address in the field Local Endpoint and click the Start button. We can see our BACnet configuration as well as the details of the associated objects. The two properties we selected in the console are indeed present, and their values are displayed in the Present Value field.